This is an Iseki TLE 3400 tractor from Acorn Tractors. This is our demonstration unit and will be available for sale in mid-January with around 20 hours on the clock. 38 horsepower, four-wheel drive, hydrostatic drive with rocker pedal operation. This tractor will come with an Iseki loader and heavy duty bucket. Turf tyres or ag tyre options. The loader is quick attach. Pipe work all feeds in to the main boom for a neat finish. Operator platform is very easy on off. Nice comfortable seat with lap belt. Power steering, independent PTO, joystick for the loader. Tractor comes standard with top link, drawbar, linkage and fold down ROPS frame. One double acting spool valve is standard with second valve as an option. 2-year warranty on this tractor. All in all, a very nice tractor from Acorn Tractors.